Alright, so I'm back. So now I've cut up all my vegetables, getting that ready so I can add it to the pot. So now I'm going to add all my vegetables to the pot. I got my yellow peppers, green peppers, red peppers, onions. Okay, got my tomatoes, scallions. I got all of my nice vegetables. Okay. And my garlic. Can't forget about the garlic. Alright, so just gonna kind of let that cook. Alright, I got my pimento seeds. Don't want to put too many, just a little bit. Give it a flavor. Don't stop it. Keep it going. Alright, I got some thyme I'm going to add to it. Don't stop it. You recording? Alright, so I'm just going to stir up my vegetables. And let those cook a little bit. Don't want to be too soft, but just nice. Alright. So while that's going, I'm going to make my sauce. So I have the 1 cup of water. Alright, and then I have like 1/3 of browning. And then I'm going to add some ketchup. The ketchup, I'm going to eyeball it. Just enough. Alright. Alright, and I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Alright. Got that going on. Alright. So now, back to the vegetables. So now, I've let it cook just a little bit. We're going to add the fish in. Alright, just going to place the fish in it. And make sure you get a nice stir. Alright, so let me bring the vegetables over. Now that I got my vegetables in, I'm going to add that sauce that I just showed you guys I made. Right? And then it's just going to kind of cook. I'm going to let it cook and cover it for about 10 minutes. Alright, and then we'll be back.